This is Lightscape's second year at the Arboretum, and this year it's bigger, bolder, and brighter. We have almost a completely new show.
This is quite an experience. The lights, the music, the three-dimensional aspect of it, just wrapping around you at night, it's just absolutely wonderful.
What you'll find at Lightscape is the magic of light and nature. It's a great family holiday adventure. You travel 1 mile through 18 different immersive displays of spectacular lights and holiday music, all among the gardens, the waterfalls, the plants of the beautiful LA Arboretum.
The Lightscape is gorgeous. It's always gorgeous. This is our second time. And I welcome everyone to come and see the Arboretum during this time.
It runs through January 8th, and please go to arboretum.org for more information.
This is just a great way to start your holidays.